Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and as you can see from the lighting, it is a very gloomy day out. We have rain and doesn't matter. I got a box in the mail from Aliexpress. Of course, it's a Blythe doll. And as I tell you, always open on camera because if there's a problem, you could need proof. They've changed a lot of their policies and trying to get your money back or money off, and don't take a replacement, it'll never show up. Try to get your money back. Anyway, this is a doll that Tina and I from Tina's Reborns and More have plans for. However, we don't have plans till next December, but we wanted to get our dolls. They were on sale and we wanted to make sure they still had them. So this doll is a project doll, and I can't wait to see her hair. I have two other dolls with this hair. It's a little different. This green comes different every time I order it. I think I have three dolls with. Oh, that's not as nice as the other. That's going to take some brushing and perhaps a little trimming. We'll see. They just don't make them like they used to, right? All right. Let's check. She's got somebody else's hair tucked up. Well, that's gross. Tucked up underneath there. I don't like other people's hair on me unless it's Darren. Okay, her eyes change very nice, and I love the color of her hair. I swear it has a little black in it. I noticed that on the picture, but I think it's like a darker green. Very pretty. I am happy to have her. I am glad she's here. And now, if I don't put her up, you know what happens. I fall in love, I'll do something else, and then I'll have to order another doll. My knees, this knee is a little loose, but this one's okay. Still better than broken. I'm happy. Daisy got a postcard from Rin at Serenata. If you don't watch Serenata's channel, you are missing out. She has a little makey doll who is so cute, and she makes all kinds of clothing, knits for the doll beautifully. Dear Daisy, I haven't been able to go out wandering much lately as the weather has been bad. So I hope you like this postcard. We love it. All the best for 2023. I wonder what adventures it will bring for us and our people. I had a great Christmas, and I hope you did too. Best wishes, Rin Makey. Isn't that nice? Serenata started Lorraine at Serenata started a postcard exchange between dolls, and I am thrilled that she has sent us a couple. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.